In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to tap on display section here. Then scroll again, this time to click on easy mode. And use this switcher right next to easy mode to activate it. Then adjust those options. High contrast keyboard, you can switch it on or turn it off thanks to this switcher, and if you decided to enable it, tap on it on the left to pick one of those options. Then go back and manage touch and hold delay by selecting one of those. You can even pick a custom one by creating it over here. Just follow those instructions. Either way, when I come back to check out home screen, I can see that easy mode was successfully enabled. Now, if you want to go back to the standard one, all you need to do is tap on the same switcher in display section. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!